Hi guys, Janine here. I don't feel like myself tonight. It's not a full recipe. Just want to chat a little bit and walk you through a fast soup I'm making myself because my stomach is like, ugh. And I did a big recipe. But this I want to share because sometimes you don't feel good yourself and you think you have to run out and buy this or that. What I got in the pot here, steaming away, I'll tell you quickly what I did. I had some wings left over, 4 little drumettes, and I had 3 little what are those? The tenders, chicken tenders, and I put that into water just to get it boiling and going. I defrosted a little bit in the microwave, just to, not too much. Don't overkill and give it, that little micro burn. But I put it all in water to boil. Then I had some parsley. I threw that in from the fridge. And what else did I have? Celery. I happened to buy celery fresh yesterday, so I had that sitting in there. And just a tablespoon of better than bouillon roasted chicken. And that's it. It's stewing away. I want to get that collagen out of those drumettes because it's the collagen in the chicken soup that is so healing and feeling so good. I don't know. For me, it works. I'm no doctor. I'm no nutritionist. But when I don't feel good in the gut and my belly needs like a rest from whatever pizzas I ate yesterday and all the junk, and I get overload sometimes. And this makes me feel good. It calms me just making it. When I know that I don't feel well and I have something warming and homemade, I start to feel a little bit better already, knowing that I'm going to heal myself. And I'm going to relax tonight. Probably won't do any videoing tomorrow. And we're going to go to New York for 4 days. It's my little baby granddaughter, Hannah, is getting baptized. So I don't know if I'll be able to fit anything in between now and we leave Friday and come back next week. Tomorrow's Tuesday. I'll probably be back next Tuesday. So if you don't see anything, that's the reason, because I know sometimes I hit it hard and I put 2 or 3 out there, and then I'll take 3 days of rest, and then I'll put 2 more videos because I'm a crazy lady all over. I'm new. We're growing still small and slow, so please, anyone watching, check me out. Look at the videos. It's a nice variety of lots of stuff. I don't keep it the same because I think that would be boring. I want everybody to have a little bit, like even tonight. Most people do a sit-down chat. I'm doing a quick soup at home, telling you what's happening with me. Hope you're all doing good and had a good Super Bowl. We had a fun time doing those pizza competition, me and Vinny. And it's the truth, the man doesn't cook. He doesn't. He makes cereal. So that was, for me, fun and shocking, and I really enjoyed it. Now it's kind of quick. I'll let this go for about 45 minutes because I want to extract, like I said, as much of the collagen as I could get out of it. And I like to have it in my fancy, these are my healthy, curative feeling bowls. These are my blue china bowls. I love them. I got 2 just for me and Ben when we have soup. And this, I always have every single pasta on hand. I made 4 types of small. I have noodles. I have everything. This is one of my favorites. This is acini pep. There's that teeny tiny little grain. Solid. You can't even see it in my fingers, so what's the point of showing you? But it's acini pep, and I'll cook up about 3/4 of a cup cooked for each of us in our bowl. So I'm going to get ready to do that. And then what I do is I cook it, the pasta separate. I put it in the bottom of the bowl. I drain it out with the spider or something even smaller. I put the cooked pasta in the bottom base, and then I'll just give him broth and chicken in it, and that's our meal tonight. That's our dinner. So I'm glad I caught up with you. You know what's happening with me. If you don't see me for a week, I didn't quit my channel. Please keep looking, checking out, and subscribing. I would love to come home and find I have new people following. I'm getting ready. I did a poll, but I only have 445 subs. So a lot of my subs are saying, Janine, what's this poll you're talking about? Well, I don't see anything. I don't see it. And I don't know where it goes. It shows me in blue that it's posting and sending out there, but I'm finding my way still. I really don't know. Supposedly the gates open up when I have 500 subscribers. I'll be able to do live. I'll be able to do polls. I'll be able to whatever else. I'll let you all know as I go. I was almost going to do a video because I saw so many, and I have a lot to say about what I learned from starting my channel in 2020 and how it evolved, and from then to now, and what happens when you break and what happens when your content's a little all over the place. I was gonna, So if you want, comment in this video and let me know. Say, hey, Janine, give us your insight. If you have something to say, tell us, because I'm starting a new channel, or I'm thinking of starting a channel. It's not that, you know, I got a lot to share, and I'm still learning. But I do know this. I like to keep mine raw, natural, down home, honest. Like I said, there's no stage here. I film all over this little kitchen, and I love it. You know, I could cozy up here with you guys and make a soup. I could get on that little stage board Vin makes for me, and I could talk like I'm doing a full recipe. And then sometimes you'll see me in a dark little corner over there cutting my cucumbers that I made pickles of my own yesterday. And that's about it, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be well. I love each and every one of my subscribers, and I hope to get more. I hope you're interested. I'm hoping I'm getting better and better and better. And I'll see you soon.